Hey guys. Okay, so for the last few days I've been head down, backside up, pumping out applications to try and beat Council's fee reduction deadline. As a result, I'm rocking some seriously big bags under these eyes. So I thought, you know what, this week's video, these glasses are staying on for your sake as much as mine. So what are we going to talk about today? Well, last week I was saying that one of the reasons why I like to do these videos is because I like to proactively warn people about evolutions or changes that are occurring within the planning world so that they can tweak their designs in advance, let's just say. So we avoid some of those tears and the drama that can happen if you find out about these things when it's too late after you've already got to council. Now, one of the other reasons that I like to do these videos is to explain the why behind things, because despite popular opinion, there is always a reason behind the rules and requirements. They're not made up just for and giggles, excuse the language. So I thought, okay, what's a good why example that I've come across in the last week or so? Got the one. We've got a client at the moment and she's proposing a rooftop garden. Now, council has some concerns about the privacy impacts on the neighbours, and she's naturally turning around and just going, but hold on a sec, it's just going to be me and my plants up there. Like, I'm just going up to water these plants. I'm not going to be sitting there hanging out partying with the plants. Why on earth is privacy a concern? Well, here's the thing. The approval runs with the land. It does not run with the owner. So council needs to consider how future owners could use that space. Let's be real, when she sells the property, whether it's her, the kids, whoever, the property's going to go to someone else eventually. When it does, the next person's going to come along and they're going to look at that rooftop deck area and just be like, oh, party central. I can see it already. The cheeses, the beer, the wine. Beautiful. So, obviously, council needs to consider those impacts down the track. Now, this regularly comes up in situations, I should say, like with granny flats. People sit there and they go, but I genuinely am going to have my mother-in-law in there, and she genuinely is going to interact with us in the house. Yeah, that's nice. I fully believe you. But when you go to sell that property, the next person's going to come along and they're going to go, oh, rental income? Can we see student accommodation? Can we see separate rental tenancy? Oh, I can imagine it. Like the dollar signs are ticking over already. So again, council needs to consider how it can be used in the future. So, moral of the story, when you go to design something, if you're seeking a performance outcome, if you're pushing a rule or requirement, just stop for a moment and consider how could this space or this, space is the best way to say it, be used in the future, because that's what council's going to be thinking when they're analysing these proposal plans. I think that covers off everything I wanted to say today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.